Ever wondered how your investments are actually performing? Or maybe you're curious about your spending habits and how to improve them. Well, you're in luck. Raiz offers a series of surveys that can provide valuable insights into your finances and help you make smarter decisions. But how exactly do you access these surveys? Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have a Raiz account. If you don't, head over to their website or app and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, keep an eye out for survey invitations. Raiz will typically send these via email or push notifications within their app. These invitations usually include a link that will take you directly to the survey. But what if you can't find the email or miss the notification? No worries. Here's how to access surveys directly within the Raiz app. Navigate to the More or Menu section of the app. This is usually located at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your device. Look for a section titled Surveys or Research. It might be within a Settings or Profile menu. Tap on Surveys or Research. This will display any available surveys that you can participate in. Now, let's talk about what these surveys actually entail. They're typically short and easy to complete. Most surveys shouldn't take more than a few minutes of your time. The questions are usually straightforward and relevant to your financial situation. You might be asked about your investment goals, spending habits, or risk tolerance. Your participation is voluntary. You're not obligated to complete any survey, and you can skip questions if you prefer. So, why should you bother taking these surveys? Gain valuable insights. The surveys can provide you with personalized feedback on your financial behavior and investment strategies. Improve your financial literacy. By answering questions about your finances, you'll be more aware of your spending habits and investment choices. Contribute to the Raiz community. Your participation helps Raiz improve their products and services, which ultimately benefits all users. Plus, there might be rewards. Some surveys may offer incentives such as points, entries into prize draws, or even small cash rewards. A few important things to remember. Raiz takes your privacy seriously. All survey responses are anonymous and will not be shared with third parties without your consent. Be honest and accurate in your responses. This will ensure that you receive the most relevant and helpful feedback. Check your email and app notifications regularly. Don't miss out on valuable survey opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.